Hey y'all, today we're taking a look at how to install VenCord. Let's get into it. So what is VenCord? It's a popular client modification for the Discord desktop app. Installing VenCord lets you customize your Discord client with awesome themes, add extra features using their plugins. It's a great way to personalize your Discord experience, but remember, it is a third-party modification and it isn't an official application. Here's how to install VenCord on your Windows, Mac, or even your browser. So you're going to want to open up a browser of your choice, and then we are going to want to navigate to VenCord. Once you see the VenCord website, go ahead and select Download VenCord, and then you can pick whichever system is for you. For us, we're on Windows, so we're going to download VenCord. So it has installed, so we'll go ahead and close this. Before starting the install, you do want to make sure you are completely closed out of Discord. So you want to right-click on Discord and quit Discord. Now that that's closed, we can go ahead and find the file and start the installer. Once you open up the installer, you will see here, we just need to press enter. Install VenCord is selected already. And then we do want to do the stable version. This is the correct location. And hit enter. Boom. It has finished. Enter to exit. So now let's go ahead and open Discord back up. And if we come into user settings, we can see we now have the VenCord section. Let me know if this video helped. Leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.